4 points o 3 points? Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Dun, 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 dun. Ayan na, JB, JB. JB. 4 points, 3 points. Ah! Boom! Pumasok!
6, 7.
Pumasok! All! Ayan na, JB, JB, JB. Ah! Boom!
Buzzer beater.
Panglamang, panglamang. Panglamang.
Tira.
Ah! Boom! Pasok! Pasok! Ayan. Whoop! Boom! Maliwanag na 4 points.
3 points.
Ah, 3 points lang pala. 3 points. 3 points. Sorry naman. Ganda ng pick, oh. Scotty! Boom! Ganda ng pick. Pasok. Boom. Ayan na! 3 points! Pasok! Bang! Pasok ka naman ng 3 points! Muulan ng 3 points. 3 points na naman yun. Ah, boom! Pasok! Best player of the game, Justin Brownlee. Ganda ng laro nung Phoenix kanina. First, second quarter. Kaso nabitawan. Nahabol lang Ginebra. 96-109 in favor of Barangay Ginebra.